guys, how you doing? This is a video of slowed down of the explosion which took place at Fukushima on Saturday. It's the video that we all saw and we were all alarmed about. I've slowed it down a little bit just so you can kind of see the explosion taking place. This explosion was said to be a hydrogen explosion. Now, what I've done, this is the explosion what happened today in the MOX, the mixed oxide plutonium fueled plant. If you can see it, it's a totally different type of explosion altogether. I've slowed it down so you can see that this is indeed a totally different type of explosion, which the Japanese government are saying there's no damage to the plant. Again, I've done it, you can see it. It's a completely different type of explosion to what happened on Saturday with the other reactor. This is reactor number 3 that's exploded about an hour or so ago, and this is a mixed oxide fueled reactor. I'll leave it there.